Beyond the Blitz, the untold story of Dabbu Ratnani. The name is synonymous with Bollywood glamour. Every year, celebrities eagerly await their turn in his iconic calendar photo shoot, a coveted spot that has become a benchmark for A-list status. But behind the dazzling lights and perfectly curated images lies a story less familiar, the story of the man himself. Stay with us to witness all the details, but let's first roll the intro. Born into a Gujarati family in Mumbai, Dabbu's journey to photographic stardom wasn't a straight shot. He initially pursued a career in modeling, even appearing in a Liril soap commercial alongside a young Kimi Katkar. However, his true passion lay behind the lens. Ratnani's relentless pursuit of photography led him to assist veteran photographer Prakash Thadani. It was here that he honed his skills and developed his signature style, a blend of high fashion and Bollywood theatricality. The turning point came in 2000 with the launch of his first celebrity calendar. Featuring sizzling portraits of Bollywood's biggest stars, the calendar became an instant success. What set it apart was Ratnani's ability to capture not just physical beauty, but also the essence and personality of each celebrity. The Dabbu Ratnani calendar transcended the realm of photography. It became a cultural phenomenon, a star-making machine, and a highly anticipated annual event. Dramatic lighting, and often outrageous costumes all fueled the public's fascination. Despite his immense popularity, Ratnani hasn't been without his critics. Some argue that his work prioritizes style over substance, favoring a larger-than-life aesthetic over a more nuanced portrayal of his subjects. Dabbu Ratnani himself remains a somewhat enigmatic figure. He rarely gives interviews and prefers to let his photographs do the talking. What is evident is his dedication to his craft and his unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of celebrity photography in India. Dabbu Ratnani has undeniably shaped the visual landscape of Bollywood. His name is etched in the annals of Indian photography, synonymous with glamour, style, and a touch of the extraordinary. Whether you love his larger-than-life aesthetic or find it excessive, there's no denying the impact he's had on the industry and the enduring appeal of his work.
Please like, share and subscribe to HNB Hub and comment down below. Thank you.